Welcome to 22711 Wilhanna Drive, a beautifully maintained home nestled in the heart of Katy. From the moment you arrive, the inviting curb appeal welcomes you with lush lawn, mature trees, and a classic red brick facade that radiates warmth and pride of ownership. Approaching the front, the graceful entryway and spacious driveway set the stage for comfortable living, offering plenty of space for family and guests alike. Take in the aerial view and you'll see how perfectly situated this property is, just minutes from Katy Mills, Typhoon, Texas, and top-rated schools. This living room is calling your name, and trust me, you'll want to answer. The front living room, with wood floors and a large window, offers a welcoming space, perfect for greeting guests or relaxing in the afternoon sun. Cozy up by the fireplace or host friends at the breakfast bar, all right here in Katy. Love to entertain? This open layout was made for gatherings and good times. Granite counters and wood cabinets, this Katy kitchen is seriously stunning. Imagine working from home in this sun-filled study. French doors provide privacy and a touch of elegance, creating an office environment that inspires focus and comfort. Unwind in this spacious primary ensuite featuring vaulted ceilings, rich wood flooring, and abundant natural light. The warm, neutral palette and peaceful atmosphere create the perfect private retreat to relax and recharge. The luxurious primary bathroom features Jack and Jill sinks, granite countertops, and stylish mirrors, turning your daily routine into a spa-like experience. Unwind in the inviting tub or step into the sleek walk-in shower, surrounded by beautiful tile floors and thoughtful finishes. The secondary bedroom provides a comfortable retreat for family or guests with a full bed, window, and ample closet space. A modern full bathroom with contemporary vanity and finishes ensures convenience and comfort for everyone in the household. Another guest bedroom offers versatility and a restful ambiance, perfect for visitors or additional family members. This backyard is calling your name for weekend barbecues and sunset hangouts. This beautifully updated home offers 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a thoughtful layout perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Enjoy modern upgrades, a spacious feel, and a fantastic location in the heart of Katy, TX. Welcome home.